Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a 3 Series BMW. This one will be E90, E91, 92, 93. And if you have a trailer hitch, okay, the hitch on the back to pull a trailer with, and you have problems with your lights module or something like that, today we'll discuss how to find the fuses for that thing and where they're located. Now, the more confusing part is that BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes for that generation BMW, so you can expect to be different depending on the year and the model that we have. Ours is a 2006 325 XI here, and we'll show you where you can expect to find that stuff. Now it depends even if it's for the European or the American market build as well. So let us show you now where they're located. In addition guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please give a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and we can go ahead and start on it now. So we need to come to the passenger side and we'll need to empty our glove compartment all the way, because we need to reach the fuses through the glove box. Okay, that cover needs to go away, and how we do that, those round things, we turn them 90 degrees up until they're vertical. Okay, like that, and it will come off. Okay, perfect. Now we're to the fuse box, and let us show you where the fuses are. From what I understand, there is about 4 fuses that could be for the trailer, not just 1 but 4. So let me show you now which ones we think we are for ours, because again it depends on your ear. The first one is fuse number 22. Okay, fuse number 22, if you come into, okay, check out now that block of fuses right here. Number 22 will be the one, the bottom row, the second from left to right. So in our case it's that 10M fuse, okay, right there. This is the one. Now another fuse that could be is fuse number 42. 42 is a big fuse, okay. It's I think, well, ours is missing, we don't have this one. Probably it's a 20 or 30, you need to double check with your manual, don't quote me on that. But that hole right here, where it is, this is fuse number 42, and we're missing this one. Next, okay, is fuse, okay, let me get to it. It will be fuse number 44. So this one guys, okay, 44 will be these fuses, okay, right here, okay, that square fuse box under the fuse spool. The very top one on the left side, this is the one, this is fuse number 44, okay, right there. And ours does not come equipped with that. And the last fuse that we found, it could be, it's 47, which is in the same fuse panel, but you go to the right column here and it's that middle fuse, okay, the middle fuse that's missing. This is fuse number 47. Ours does not come with the tow package, we installed it aftermarket, that's why some of the fuses are missing. So that's where you find them. Hopefully it will be helpful to some of you guys that have the tow package, probably in England or Germany. So thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.